Welcome to a savory journey through time and taste.
Today, we're exploring the origins of jerky and the numerous benefits it offers.
Jerky, a well-loved snack, has a rich history that dates back to ancient civilizations.
Its story begins in South America, particularly in the Andean region,
Where the Quechua tribe, an indigenous people, first created jerky.
This term, which means dried meat, is actually the origin of the word jerky.
The process they used was simple but effective.
They sliced meat thinly, seasoned it with natural spices, and dried it under the sun or over a fire.
This method was essential for preserving meat in times when refrigeration was non-existent.
Fast forward to the present, jerky has become a popular snack worldwide.
Known for its rich flavor and convenience.
But it's not just tasty, it's packed with benefits.
Firstly, jerky is an excellent source of protein, vital for muscle building and repair.
It's a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts for this very reason.
Additionally, jerky is low in fat and contains essential nutrients like iron and zinc.
Moreover, jerky is a convenient source of energy.
Its lightweight and portable nature make it an ideal snack for hikers, travelers.
And anyone needing a quick energy boost without the bulk,
Interestingly, modern jerky comes in various flavors and types,
including beef, turkey, and even plant-based options, catering to a wide range of dietary preferences.
In conclusion, jerky is more than just a snack.
It's a testament to human ingenuity in food preservation, a nutritious source of energy.
And a versatile treat that continues to evolve.
From the ancient Andes to your modern-day snack pack, jerky truly is a remarkable food.